Yo, what up, guys? What up, guys? Solomon from hedgingmastermind.com. How has your trading week been going? This right here is profits. Okay, profits. Some people have made profits from the free signals for the past 3 months. I even gave an extra free month, okay, because half of February was a bit slow. So we can't control what the market is doing, but we'll make sure we're always winning. So far, signals have been up. 95% of the trades have been take profits, and we always give minimum risk 3-to-1 risk to reward ratio, except some rare cases on gold. Anyways, if you want to join the free Telegram group, message me trial on Telegram, link in description below. We're trying to get the Telegram members to about 10,000 to 15,000 members by the end of the year. I know we're going to do it, so join the link in the description below, Telegram link in description. And for those who want to do copy trades, you need to have at least $350 for the free trial. You need to have at least $50 to be able to fund your own account with. If you don't have money to trade, how do you want to make money? So you need to at least be able to fund your own account, even if you're getting free signals. So you need at least $50 to be able to use that. But for something like, you get more information. Anyway, message me trial on Telegram. And now, if you don't have time to trade, you don't know how to trade yet, you just want to take signals you just want to make money while you're watching the videos on the channel, I have a hedging playlist. Hedging is my secret strategy that I use to compound my accounts fast and grow quickly. That's why you see my accounts grow very fast. It's a way to, for example, if the market goes against you, you will be able to make profits instead of trying to beat the market, which is dumb. You do the smart money strategy, what the banks are using, what the hedge funds are using, which is hedging, to exit out your trade. So you don't make any losses. Whatever loss you have made is going to be covered with profits. But you need to know when to buy, when to sell. You actually need to know the market trend, okay? You need to know if it's bullish, you need to know if it's bearish. So you're actually going with what the market is doing, okay? And you need to know if it's going there long term, short term. All this is done by the software that I made. It does all the analysis for you, and what you use is my trading system. If you want to buy the course, go to hedgingmastermind.com. My trading system to take scalp trades, system A trades. I'm sure you see some system A trades, system B trades, which brings more profits. My second scalping system. And then the software will tell you when to hedge your trades. So it gives you all this information. The software comes free with the course. If you want more information on that, put that in the comment section. I always reply every comment, or you can message me on Telegram, link in description below. Anyways, for copy trade, you need to have at least $350 to $500 to be able to fund your own account with, because I'm using hedging as an exit strategy. And yeah, you want to join in now, you want to join in early, you want to join in fast, so we start making money as soon as possible, as you can see. And all this is free. You don't, if you want to buy the course to learn how to do it yourself, that way you can go higher risk, then you can do that. But while you're watching the channel, you're enjoying the channel, you're trying to learn something new, which is, I'm sure most of you, hedging is new. I don't use support and resistance. I don't use moving averages. I don't use Ichimoku. I don't use any indicators, okay? They can never predict the future. I just let my software do the calculations of what is going on in the market by every single tick and give me analysis from that. Then I decide how I'll use my system to go with the market. If I know the market is bullish, I may see a sell, and if it's possible for me to take profit from that sell, I can. Am I going to do it short term? Am I going to do it long term? I get the analysis, then I decide. That's how it's meant to be done. In and out, simple, just like my videos. It's really not that hard. You just need experience. The more you trade it, the better you get. If you don't know why you're losing, you'll continue to lose, okay? But if you know why you're losing, then you can reduce your losses. If you know why you're winning, you can increase in your win. Most of you don't know why you're winning. Most of you don't know why you're losing, okay? So how are you going to get better? How are you going to reduce your losses? But when you see something happen over and over and over again, it increases your confidence. Some people say, how do I get confidence in the market? You get confidence once you are sure and you let it play out, and it happens over and over and over again. The more times it plays out, the more times you see it happen, the more times it gives you assurance, the more times you get confidence. Confidence is not just jumping into the market. That's like entering a Ferrari and never learning how to drive before. You just want to jump into it. No, that's not how you gain confidence. Confidence is when you've seen it happen over and over and over and over again, that it's gonna happen. And if it doesn't happen, you know exactly what to do. It's not that hard. So message me trial for free signals for 3 months. Message me copy if you want to join the copy trades. I'm sure you've been enjoying the system B trades that we've been having so far. It's what helps grow the accounts fast. You know, so sometimes there might be abundance of systemic trades, sometimes there might be abundance of system B trades. You have to leave it up to the markets. You react to the market. You don't do your analysis and expect the market to react to you. Anyways, I think this is one of my most insightful videos. Yeah, well, ask me questions, put that in the comment section and I'll make a video on it. Okay, tell me what type of videos you want to see and I'll make it. If you want to learn, be on this channel. Even if you can even do it for free, you know, you can just stay here for free, just stay engaged, learn, take some free signals, take some free copy trade. You decide, you judge. Okay, and yeah, copy trade is risk free. So like, share and subscribe. Let me see what I'm going to spend all this on, and yeah, we'll see you in the next video, or we'll see what trades we have for today. Hope you guys have a nice trading day and week ahead. Join the free Telegram group. We're trying to get to 10,000 to 15,000 members, like I said before. Okay, I know we're going to get that before the end of the year, and we'll see what the market has for us today. Boom, 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 boom. Zersky. So yeah, we'll see what trades the market has for us today. Hey guys, this is Solomon from hedgingmastermind.com. As you can see, we're on the 15 minutes time frame on the account that we started with 10,000. I just saw a system B sell. I have to go to the 5 minutes because I saw it on the 5 minutes time frame. I have to take a system B sell. There you are. So I'm just gonna set my take profit quickly. That's where the system B is. As shown on the software. The software is what you get free with the course. Let me set my take profit. There you go. And let's go back to where we are. So it's quite early in the morning today. As you can see, but for system B, it doesn't really matter. Let's see how fast we're gonna go to hit our take profit. And yeah, it's floating right now. But if we go for our take profit, we should make about $470 on this trade. So let me just set my take profit properly. And there you go. All right, so it's accurate. And I'll just set some alarms because I may sleep off, and if anything happens or it's getting closer to take profit, I want to know. So all right, we started this account with $10,000. As you can see, we've made almost 30% on this account. I haven't been trading much because I had something else to do. Well, as you can see, our first trade was a hedge. Okay, hedging is my exit strategy, so I don't make any losses. That's how I'm able to compound my account so quickly. I teach this at hedgingmastermind.com. We took some system A trades, you know, little profit to grow the account. Then we took system B trades. As you can see, big profits growing our account. Some little system A trades also. We had a tiny minor loss one time. System B trade, system B trade, system B trade. We had a $1,000 system B trade profit. It really grew our account. Another system B trade, system B trade. So this one is another system B trade that will give us another big profit. We're going for big profits, small profits, whatever the market gives us, we take. And if we run into any problems, we're gonna hedge it out. We haven't had any hedge so far, but I haven't really been trading much. Anyways, if you want to buy the course, go to hedgingmastermind.com. I teach my students live. I share my screen on Zoom. I take trades like this with you, and you get the software free with the course. You also hear some students' testimonials from that have taken the course. I also upload that later on. But if you want to get free signals for 3 months, I'm also doing free signals for 1 year. It depends on how much you have in your account. But you have to have at least $50 to be able to join the free VIP signals group. As you know, I do free signals live stream every Mondays or Tuesdays during New York session. I do free analysis, free signals on the YouTube channel. I live stream that. But in the free signal Telegram group, I drop in signals every day. I drop in analysis every day, just like what you see on Monday, but it doesn't stop on Monday. I do it for free on YouTube, but in the private signal group, I do it every day. So if you want to join the free signal groups for 3 months to 1 year, message me, try on Telegram. And make sure to join the Telegram group link in description also. To message me, the Telegram link is also in description also. So we're trying to get to our Telegram group to 10,000 to 15,000 members by the end of 2024. We may even get it above 15,000 members. I don't know. We'll see what happens. We're getting close to 7,000 members so far. And yeah, let me see. We're getting close to 7,000 members so far. But with that being said, let's see how this trade plays out. And yeah, let's see how this trade plays out. With that being said, if you have any questions, put that in the comment section. I always try to reply to in fact, I always reply to every comment that is made on the channel. If you want to see a specific type of video, day in the life of a trader, vlogging, whatever, put that in the comment section. If you have any question about the software, put that in the comment section. Any single question, but also make sure you join the free Telegram group. That's the most important thing. Make sure you have at least $50 to be able to trade with, and we'll see if you can get 3 months or 1 year free signals. With that being said, we'll be right back when we're into more profits in the market. And also, if you want to get the software tells you the market trend, long-term, short-term, tells you when and where to buy. It gives you alerts for taking scalp trades. It tells you where to take system B trades. It tells you where to hedge. Okay, it shows you everything, the whole analysis. So you're not having your emotional bias, and the more you use it, the better you get. You don't gain confidence by saying, oh, I have confidence in my trade. You gain confidence once you see your trade work over and over and over again. The more you see your trade work, the more you're able to hedge your accounts, the more confident you are in your trade. With that being said, we'll be right back once we are into more profits in the market. Like, share, and subscribe, click the notification bells, and click all notifications so you don't miss short videos, video uploads, live streams, and whatever. And with that being said, we'll be right back soon. All right, guys, we're back. As you can see, we've already hit our take profits. I wasn't able to record it because we hit it very quick before I was able to get to my PC. I just heard the alarm. Like I said, we made $470 profits. If you want to buy the course, go to hedgingmastermind.com for free signals. Message me, trial link in description also, and you can possibly get 3 months to 1 year free signals where we drop signals every day, analysis every day, follow up on the trade every day. The trades I'm taking is what I give you in the signal group also. So with that being said, we'll be right back soon. Like, share, and subscribe. If you have any comments, if you have any question, put that in the comment section or message me on Telegram, link in the description below, and we'll be right back once we have another trade in the market. Like I said, you can join me live either in person in Europe, or you can join me on Zoom where I take live trades like this. I'll share my screen on Zoom with you. I'll take live trades with you. I know most of your mentors don't take live trades with you. Most of your mentors are always charging for everything. I do most of my things free. As long as you have money to be able to fund your account, I might even teach you the course for free. Like I said, I'm only looking for serious people ready to trade, to take live trades and start making money. Okay, with that being said, like, share, and subscribe, and we'll be right back soon with another trading video. Maybe it's going to be a hedge, maybe it's going to be a scalp, maybe it's going to be a system B scalp, maybe it's going to be a quick trade. Never know. Whatever the market gives us, we take it, because you are never in control of the market. You just have to take what the market does. You react to the market does not react to you. We'll be right back soon.